Hi guys, it's me again with the glasses. Hopefully the glasses are not annoying. Very reflective, I know, and dirty. I am here with you guys for a Boxy Charm unboxing, March edition. This is the March box and I was really surprised because normally it's not that small for a premium box from the other two boxes that I've received. So I do find it a little bit strange. I was in a car and when I went to my bail box, I saw the box and I'm like, wait a minute, this looks like their regular box and not the premium box. So I actually just opened it just to see the premium in here and I'm like, okay, it is the premium. And I'm not gonna look into it. So I did not look into the product, so I don't know what I received, but I am quite concerned. I have to say that. I don't know what to expect, you guys. So before I go ahead and dive into what I received in my March box, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. Let's dive into this. Okay, March box. I'm gonna be writing all the pricing like I did in my previous video. I feel like it was a bit more helpful to just have it indicated somewhere here or here with the name of the product and the pricing in USD and in Canadian. By the way, for me to get the Canadian pricing, I just Google it, US to Canadian, and I kind of give you the total amount in Canadian dollars since I do live in Canada. And the premium box is about $63 to $64. And the premium box, you get 6 full-size products from what I remember. I'm pretty excited, and actually they're big news. I got the email, you know, that they had in my previous video. They were like expecting something new, blah, blah, blah. Is that they kind of teamed up with Ipsy. If you guys don't know Ipsy, it's kind of like Boxy Charm, but you get like a bag full of goodies. Honestly, I never signed out to Ipsy because back in the days, I heard that they gave a lot of samples, which is kind of like a turnoff for me. Like, I don't need samples, just give me the full thing. So Boxy Charm gives you the full thing, which is more interesting. And the premium box is supposed to be a value of $240. So we'll see what's in here and if it's worth $240. This is going to be kind of like a deal breaker for me to see if I'm going to continue with the subscription or I'm just going to cancel it and move on to my regular life, I guess. So it does say Ipsy and Boxy Charm, gorgeous together, and you have everything on here, everything that you need to know about this reunion of Ipsy and Boxy Charm. So they even sent an email. I read a little bit about it, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, but we'll see. And then Boxy Charm Planet Woman. What is this? Okay, I guess this is the products and the value of them. That's new. That's very helpful if that's the case. And they also have like the @ so like for Instagram or whatever, so you can kind of like locate the company and all of that, which is really cool. The first thing that I have that I see here, it's this one right here. I think this is kind of like a face mask. It's called Dew of the Gods. Honestly, I never heard about this. And this one is the Weekend Glow Challenge 2 lace sponge sheet mask, Saturday and Sunday, a challenge for beautiful skin. Yeah, I guess they are face masks. I think there's 2 face masks in here. Yeah, because I do see like 2 separate sheets in here. The weekend thing. It's kind of like a skin challenge that you do on the weekend. I'm excited to try this. And then these are the products in here. I did end up choosing a product because, you know, they kind of give you the option to choose what you'd like to have in your next month's box. I think this is the one that I chose, and it's kind of like a hair serum, And this one here is the new. I don't know if that's how you spell it. I'm like, you know what, I'll try it since you know, I suffer from hair loss and everything, and I want something to kind of like thicken in the hairs, and no other way but a serum. And this one here is called Scalp Serum for Hair Dynasty. Does not smell like anything. I'm just gonna open this and see. I do like hair products. I do use them when I get out of the shower because it's sealed. No duh. This is something that you kind of put on your scalp and you massage in and all of that. So I'm pretty excited to try this on because this is a product that I chose that I did want. So I'm quite excited about this. Next product, this one here, it is the Byo Blush. Byo Blush. Youth. Oh my god, is this the kind of like the green oil that people put on? It kind of changes color according to your pH. I don't know, girl, but I hope it is because that is fun and because I've seen a lot of people use it and I've really wanted to try it on. This one is in Chemical Reaction. Is that the name? I'm not sure if that's the name, but ooh, look at the packaging. Super cute. It is. Okay, your girl is really excited right now. So yeah, this is what it is. It's green. It's literally green, and it is kind of like a pH blush thing. I really want to try it, see if it works. It doesn't smell like anything, but I'm gonna try it at the back of my hand here and see if it works, because I don't want to put it on my face. So we'll see if that works. So it's pretty glossy. So what is this exactly? I just want to read about it quick. Dab 2 dots on each cheek and blend with brush. Keep applicator clean. Don't apply directly on lips. Keep away from direct sunlight. Ooh, okay, it's turning. It's like turning. It's a bit pink. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it is turning a bit pink. I'm just gonna pat it with my finger, even though this said brush, but I'm just gonna use my finger and see if it works. It is a bit oily, so I'm not sure how that's gonna kind of react to the skin, but I don't see, like, it is a bit pinky. You guys could see the color of it. It's a bit pink, but again, it does have that oily hue to it, but it is getting a bit darker. And for some reason, I feel like my hand is a bit tingly. I don't know. We'll see how dark this gets. It's a little test, but we'll see how dark this gets. But I'm really excited to have this in my box. I've been wanting to try it for like the longest time. It's pink, but it's kind of like a light pink. Not hating it. Next product, this is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I've heard a lot of good things about Murad skincare. I personally haven't tried them yet. I did have a tester once that Sephora gave me, but I just never used it, to be honest, so I can't really give you my point of view about it. But I do know that their stuff is super good, and I know a lot of the dermatologists actually recommends Murad. Their skincare is really good. This is how it looks like. It is a eye serum, and it's recommended that you can use day and night, AM or PM. Gently pat around the eye, including the eyelid. Avoid contact with eyes. Dermatologist tested, dermatologist developed. So pretty cool. I have to say that I am really happy that this is in the box. So far, I am quite satisfied with everything I received. Next one here, this is the Ciate London Watermelon Boost Hydrating Lip Oil. Your girl is a fan of lip oil, and I am a fan of Ciate. Their stuff is really good. I'm a total fan. Let's go ahead and open it up. I also do love lip oils. I find them very moisturizing. Oh, and this is how it looks like. It's actually like a tube. It reminds me when I was like young, back in high school. It has kind of that vibe to it. So it's a pretty nice color. It has this pinky hue to it. I'm really excited to try it, especially now because my lips have been really dry. Last but not least in this box, this one here, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. Mali Beauty. I've never heard about Mali Beauty. Let's go ahead and check out the colors. Cute packaging. I love it. It's very simple. Ooh, this is pretty. It does have a nice mirror, and these are all the cute little shades. quite neutral, a lot of shimmers in here, very bridal too. I find, like, especially these shades right here, they're very bridal, but it is a super nice palette. This is the box. This is the March box. I'm actually quite happy about it. I will continue my subscription. Good news. I will leave all the products and their pricing down below, and this is the total of the box. $270, I believe, USA. Definitely worth the box. Definitely stands up to their standard for the premium box. Definitely more than $240, which your girl is happy about. And if you guys are wondering about the blush, it's kind of like a subtle pink shade. So I'm not sure how this is gonna look like on the face, to be honest. I do feel the oiliness. So if you do have oily skin, I don't really recommend this because you might find your face a bit oily after. But if you do have dry skin, then this is gonna be extremely moisturizing and it's gonna give you a nice glow. So just keep that in mind. But overall, that is it. I am quite satisfied with my box. I'm really happy with my box. And I can't wait to see April, because April is Easter, so most probably some pastel stuff in there, which I'm really excited. The pastel season is coming and your girl is so excited. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my March unboxing from BoxyCharm. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. So I want to wish you guys a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye!